Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will learn about GitHub, a widely used platform for version control and collaboration in software development. What is GitHub? GitHub is a web based platform that hosts Git repositories. It provides developers with tools for version control, collaboration, and project management. Whether you are working on a small personal project or a large enterprise application, GitHub helps streamline workflows and improve productivity. GitHub as a collaboration platform. GitHub allows multiple developers to work together on the same project. It helps teams track changes in code, collaborate efficiently, manage project versions, avoid conflict. GitHub is built on Git, which is the underlying version control system. GitHub Essentials. The key components of GitHubs are repositories, branches, commits, pull, request, Git, the version control software used by GitHub. Understanding these basics is essential for effective collaboration. The first one is repository. A GitHub repository is used to store a development project. A repository can contain folders and files, code files such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, documents, datasets, and images. A repository usually includes a README file explaining the project, a license file defining usage right. Repository can also be used to store ideas and resources for sharing. Second one is branch. A branch allows developers to work on different versions of a repository at the same time. By default, a repository has a master or main branch which represent the production version. New branches are created for bug fixes, new features. Once the changes are ready, they can be merged back into the master branch. Any updates made to the master branch can also be pulled into the working branch. The next is commit. In GitHub, save changes are called commits. Each commit represents a specific change, includes a message explaining why the change was made. Commits help track project history and understand how the code evolves over time. Next one is pull request. Pull requests are the heart of GitHub collaboration. A pull request is used to propose that your changes should be merged into the master branch. Pull request show differences using colors like green and red, allows team members to review code, enable discussion before merging. You can open a pull request even if the code is not fully completed. Next one is a great way to learn GitHub is by practicing in your own repository. You can create branches, make commits, open pull requests, merge them yourselves. After merging, after merging, the branch can be deleted using the delete branch button. This helps beginners gain confidence before working on the large project. Okay, to conclude, GitHub is a powerful platform that supports version control and teamwork. It helps developers collaborate efficiently, manage project history, and deliver high quality software. Thank you.